Hey, what's up everyone? Got a quick video for you guys today. I am really excited. Our friends over at Hunt Perfect just announced today that they are launching or have launched a trail camera. So these guys are known for some really high quality products. I've used their software. I've got their SD card reader and their SD card holder case. So I know this trail cam is going to be sweet. It's packed with features. It is a really good price point. So let me show you what it looks like and how you guys can get one even cheaper on pre-order right now. All right, here it is, you guys, the HP20. It's got a 5 megapixel CMOS sensor, and you guys can probably tell on the front, it's actually got sensors for left, right, and front. It's got 3 sensors on it, so you're gonna make sure whatever walks in front of your camera, you're gonna get a picture of it. 2.4-inch display screen for easy setup. You've got modes of your standard photo, video, but you've also got photo plus video, which I think is super cool. I'm going to use that quite a bit. Photo burst modes of 1 to 3 photos, 20 megapixel photo resolution, really fast trigger on this camera, 0.2 to 0.6 seconds. And you've got trigger delay settings between 5 seconds and 60 minutes, so a lot of options for your trigger delay. 65-foot night vision range, takes your standard SD card up to 32 gigabytes, your video resolution 1080p, and it's going to save your photos in JPEG or AVI format. If you order this camera, you also get a 50% off discount code for 1 year of Hunt Perfect's trail cam software, which I have used since the beginning. It is awesome software. It's better than Deer Lab at a fraction of the price. So with this promo code, you would get 1 year of Hunt Perfect software for $10. Cannot beat that. Let me show you guys a few example photos here I pulled off the website so you can see just how good the picture quality is on this camera. All right, so let's talk about the price now. It's coming in right under $100, which I think is great. For all the features that are packed in this camera, that is an awesome price point. But if you pre-order this camera right now, there's 95 in stock, you can get it for $75. So all these features, Hunt Perfect software, $75. I don't think you're gonna find a camera that has all of this into one package for less money than that. So be sure to check these guys out on their website, huntperfect.io. I'll put a link in the description below. So get them while they're hot, guys. These cameras are going to make a splash in the 2020 trail cam market. I think you're going to be seeing a lot of these out in the woods here this fall. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, be a sportsman, make a sportsman.